This has been a landmark year for Cardiff Students' Union, marked by record student engagement, impactful campaigns and enhanced services.
Freshers Week welcomed 15,000 students to the SU with an expanded range of alcohol-free activities to give everybody a chance to participate.
I've got to meet lots of new friends coming to uni, which can be difficult at times. I found a sport that I love, honestly.
Engagement with our students reached 74,000 interactions, with nearly 25,000 students engaged with us throughout the year.
It's been so enriching to be part of societies. Honestly, it's changed my uni trajectory. Being part of Pride and really feeling in the community has been amazing.
We saw our second highest spring election turnout in history, with 8,521 students casting their vote to choose the team who leads the SU.
Hoff beth i yr etholiadau blwyddyn yma yw gweld bod pawb yn dod at ei gilydd am ddigwyddiad yma gyda backgrounds cwbl wahanol, mae pawb yn dod at ei gilydd.
I think that when you look at the bigger picture of how much you're studying on campus, it's really important that you're in an environment that you really thrive in terms of societies on campus and the sports that we go to and the impact that it has on our student mental health and well-being. We can't really do much about democracy on campus, and I think that it's really positive to see the changes that happen with regards to the union and the whole university body.
Our Wednesday club night YOLO continues to be really popular, welcoming more than 114,000 attendees through the doors.
Alongside these successes, we've been working hard to support students' well-being and have their backs during a challenging year. We campaigned against student parking restrictions, securing 4,300 petition signatures and 250 consultation responses, ensuring student voices were heard in local policy. We had students' backs when the Academic Futures proposal was announced by Cardiff University. We campaigned to challenge the cuts, worked to protect students' educations, amplified student voices and stood by staff and stakeholders.
As cost of living continues to be a challenge on campus, our Feed Your Flat pop-ups helped more than 1,000 students stock up on essential store cupboard items.
This year, we marked 50 years since opening the doors to our Students' Union building on Park Place. While the union itself has existed for nearly 130 years, we were proud to celebrate the golden anniversary of the building that has played a central role in shaping student life in Cardiff for 5 decades.
There's a real place in my heart for this building. When I was here as a student and as a sabbatical, I used to know it intimately. I can't say I know it intimately anymore. There's been a lot of change internally, but I had some of the best times of my life in this building, and I'm forever grateful for what it gave me.
We're always working to improve our building, and this year was no exception.
Yma yn Undeb Myfyrwyr Caerdydd, rydym yn falch cynnig profiad cerddoriaeth fwy cynhwysol ar gyfer cysmeriaid byddar ac anabal. Yma gall pawb fwynhau cerddoriaeth fyw mewn cysur a diogelwch.
To improve accessibility, a second passenger lift was installed, enabling DDA-compliant access to all floors of the building. We have also achieved the Silver Award for the Attitude is Everything scheme, which recognises the venue as having considered deaf and disabled customers in the design and operation of our events. The food court was fully renovated and rebranded as Kutch, introducing a vegan food outlet and more seating to create a warmer, relaxed atmosphere.
Where there were walls, you guys have put windows, where you've opened up spaces, where you've found space to open up in the balconies, because it's built in a really difficult place over a rail line. So it's very difficult to kind of expand, but you've managed to make this incredible space even more incredible and accessible to students. So I love it. I love what's been done here.
For a decade, we've been in the UK's top 10 best student unions, and in 2025, our students voted us in to the top 2 for the 4th consecutive year at the What Uni Student Choice Awards.
Our staff are just as positive, with 92% agreeing that Cardiff Students' Union is a great place to work.
The hours are very flexible, so I can schedule them around my class time, my exam times, and I can book it off whenever I need to. And also the work is not draining, so I had enough energy to study afterwards. And as well as I was able to use this experience to get a job in the UK, because as an international student, I had no UK experience.
Cardiff hosted the annual Welsh Varsity Sports Tournament, competing in over 50 fixtures and beating Swansea 38.5 to 13.5 to win the Varsity Shield.
Varsity to me is like the uni version of Christmas. The whole day is just filled with fun, games, sports, everything. From start to finish, you're going to see new people, new sports, make new friends. It's the best day ever. I don't think anyone expected to see a pole competition when they first went to varsity, and they probably did, because our turnout last year was insane.
It's been a huge year for us, full of growth, new challenges, and plenty of proud moments. Next year is going to be another impactful year. It may be challenging at times, but I hope that you know that whatever happens, we've got your back.